Kia ora koutou, Markie here. So I'm returning to a video or a series that I haven't touched on for literally years. I started making some trekking poles, and if you look back you'll see, or if you find the playlist, you'll see these previous videos showing the progress of these trekking poles, which are both made from just kind of sticks that I found, one of which I found on the mountain, one of which I found by the sea. Because I'm dyspraxic, I don't always get along so well. So quite often if I'm on anything but the smoothest of terrain, I try and seek a stick and usually pick something that's around. And in this case, I made proper trekking poles out of them. I say proper trekking poles, they're very eccentric trekking poles. They're all wobbly and bendy, which I kind of like because it's kind of just a bit more interesting. One of the things that I did wrong really was I over sanded them and made them too thin. So I had to bolster them up, which I did. I think I showed you in the last video, if you look that one up. But what I've done now, I wanted to make hand loops. So so you can put your hand right through there, and then as you walk along, you know, if you let go of it, it's still there. And also wanted shoulder straps, which I've made for one but not the other because I ran out of string. Sorry about the background noise. So I've also used the string that I had, which I had to dye black. It was a very difficult job, and I've wrapped it around in order to add extra strength as well, so it's strengthening and making these loops. So next phase, I want to put a bit more glue onto here, although this is actually No More Nails glue, which has worked quite well. But I want to put a bit more glue on there to make it stronger. Paint it black, paint everything else black, because this is like a nylon rope that I just painted black with acrylic paint. You can see the original green shining through, so I want that all to be black. And then they're done. I need to get some of the glue off. That's just an aesthetic thing. Some of the glue off here. It's very difficult to do this without getting glue everywhere, so that's another job for me, is to get rid of that. So when I've done that, so the gluing is more gluing, additional gluing is the next thing. I haven't got much glue, so I won't be doing too much of that. Then painting, then getting rid of the glue that's on the wood, and then they're good to go, because I'm having to go up the mountain. I'm even seriously thinking about going to the top, which scares me, because see my video on that. See my video, Mark has a scary time on the mountain. So we'll let you know progress on all of these projects. But thank you for watching. Rangimarie.